Set the stop loss at the coral trend line. Then set the profit target 2 times above the stop loss. It's time to show the trade results. As you can see, this trade is profitable. Hey traders, welcome to the Hyper Trade YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you the powerful MACD combined with Coral Trend strategy. This trading system can work with any kind of market, such as Forex, stocks, and cryptocurrency. This is a day trading strategy, so this can be used with a time frame from 5 minutes to 1 hour. This is a very beginner-friendly strategy, so anyone can learn this easily. Please watch this video until the end so we can see how much profit we can make. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Hyper Trade YouTube channel so you don't miss out the upcoming trading videos from Hyper Trade. In this strategy, we will need 2 technical indicators. The first indicator is MACD with default settings. The second indicator is Coral Trend with period of 42. If you use TradingView, feel free to follow me to configure the indicators. In your TradingView chart, click this little FX icon. A window will pop up from your TradingView. In the search field, you can type any indicator that you want to add into your chart. Our first indicator is MACD. Find this indicator in TradingView by typing MACD. Then click this indicator to add into the chart. For this indicator, we will use the default settings, so we don't need to change anything. Our second indicator is Coral Trend. Find this indicator in TradingView by typing Coral Trend. Then click this indicator to add into the chart. For this indicator, we will use custom settings. Change the period into 42. Then click OK. This is how our chart looks like after setting up all the indicators. If you missed something, you can go back to the indicators section in the description. As you can see, our chart now has 2 indicators. First, red and green dotted lines here are our Coral Trend indicator. The usage of this indicator is simple. When the color of line here is green, that means the market is in uptrend. But when the color is red, that means the market is downtrend. Our another indicator is MACD or Moving Average Convergence Divergence. This indicator is placed at the bottom of the chart. This MACD indicator will be our main entry signal. If the 2 lines here are crossing each other, that means the price will either go up or down. Please watch until the end to further understand how this works. This is our first buy trade. Our buy conditions are simple. First, the MACD lines must cross up. Second, the color of Coral Trend must green. Third, the price must above Coral Trend. And for the money management, we need to set the stop loss at the Coral Trend line. And for the take profit, we need to set it 2 times the stop loss. I will show you the first buy trade. As we can see, the MACD lines just crossed up here. The color of Coral Trend is green. Then the price is above Coral Trend. It's time to prepare our buy trade here. Set the stop loss at the Coral Trend line. Then set the profit target 2 times above the stop loss. It's time to show the trade results. As you can see, this trade is profitable. But we want more trades to make sure the profitability of this strategy. Because of that, we prepared more trades, including short trade examples. Please watch until the end to see how much profits we can make. This time we have our second buy trade entry. As we can see in our screen, the MACD lines just crossed up here. The color of Coral Trend is green. Then the price is above Coral Trend. Time to enter a buy trade. Set the stop loss at the Coral Trend line. Then set the take profit 2 times above the stop loss. Let's find out the results. This trade turned out to be profitable. What an amazing strategy. This will be our first short trade example. The conditions is a reversed version of our buy conditions. First, the MACD lines must cross down. Second, the color of Coral Trend must red. Third, the price must below Coral Trend. I will demonstrate the first short trade. As we can see in our screen, the MACD lines just crossed down here. The color of Coral Trend is red. Then the price is below Coral Trend. We can prepare our short trade here. Set the stop loss at the Coral Trend line. Then set the take profit 2 times below the stop loss. So, it's time to see how this trade performs. It turned out to be a profitable trade. As you know, that trade alone is not enough. We have one more trade to make sure this strategy is profitable. Let's get into our next short trade. We prepared our second short trade here. As we can see, the MACD lines just crossed down here. The color of coral trend is red. Then the price is below coral trend. It's our time to enter a short trade. Set the stop loss at the coral trend line. Then set the take profit 2 times below the stop loss. Let's find out the results. This trade ended up being profitable. What a great strategy. We've just discovered a very profitable strategy for day trading in all markets. However, traders should not rely just on these results. It is always a good idea to test the strategy with historical market data. In the testing phase, tweak the settings until it comes with best results. Feel free to change the strategy parameters such as time frame or indicator periods. Test it until you come with best results. There's a lot to talk about trading strategies and how to use them. If you're interested for more trading videos, consider subscribe to the Hyper Trade YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for our next trading videos.